Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you do the rest. All right, we're back today, May 16th, with a Supreme Court decision, A.A.R.P v. Trump. This is the one that you guys have most likely been hearing about in the news, so let's get into the facts of the case. So this one deals with a legal challenge brought by two detained Venezuelan nationals identified as members of TDA or Tren de Aragua, which, as you may know, has been currently classified as a foreign terrorist organization. The case also involves a group of similarly detained individuals that are represented as a group within the actual case. And all these people together sought to stop their immediate removal from the United States under the Alien Enemies Act. The core issue of this case is whether these detainees were given adequate notice and opportunity to challenge their removal as required by the U.S. Constitution's due process protections. More specifically, the 5th and 14th Amendment, which basically both say no one shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. All right, so let's get into the backstory so we can understand what's going on today. This all started when the president issued a proclamation under the Alien Enemies Act to remove Venezuelan nationals identified as Tren de Aragua members. The applicants identified in this case were held in U.S. detention facilities in the Northern District of Texas, and they argued that their planned removal violated their constitutional rights because they were not given notice or chance to challenge their removal. So, the detainees requested a temporary restraining order to stop their removal, but this was denied by the district court in Texas. After this denial, reportedly hours later, the detainees claimed they received notices saying that they were to be deported, quote, tonight or tomorrow. So, the detainees in response to that filed an emergency TRO, temporary restraining order, request and demanded a hearing and ruling that day. The district court did not act by the requested deadline, so the detainees appealed to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, claiming that the district court's inaction was effectively a denial of their request, so therefore they were able to appeal it to the Fifth Circuit Court. The Fifth Circuit, in response, dismissed the appeal, saying that it lacked the jurisdiction because the district court had not formally denied the TRO. The detainees then asked the Supreme Court for an injunction, a court order to stop the removals, while the legal issues were sorted out.
Full video located on our channel.